Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video, I will be making this cute unicorn cuddling on a cloud. So let's begin making this cute one. First of all, I have taken a piece of cardboard and cut it in the shape of clouds and then sticking clouds one on the another and then applying glue and water mixture in 1:1 and covering it with tissue papers so that we can get a base for our clay work. For making basic structure of the unicorn, I have taken thin wire and twisting the wire to make a structure like so. If you're new here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now covering this wired structure with aluminium foil. I'm using homemade cold porcelain clay to make the unicorn. First of all, I have taken a portion of clay and rolling it so that covered the wire structure with portions of clay. After a basic layer of clay is done, I am taking two crystals to make eyes and sticking them to the clay like so, and then taking a portion of clay to sculpt the face of the unicorn. Adding more clay to the face wherever required and then sculpting with the help of a tool. Adding two thin snakes of clay to make eyes on both the sides. Adding more clay to make its body and leg like so. And then smoothing it with water with the help of a tool. Now sticking the basic structure of unicorn to our base with the help of glue and clay and then placing it on the cardboard. Then making its two cute little ears and then sticking it with glue. Rolling snakes of clay to make hair and sticking it with the glue. Now taking a piece of wire to make horn and inserting this horn between the two hair. Now taking a snake of clay and rolling it around the wire to make horn. Again rolling snake of clay and flattening it with finger. Now making some pattern with the help of knife and this become her tail and sticking it with glue. Taking some portion of clay to make clouds. After sculpting part is complete comes the coloring part. I'm using acrylic color to paint the unicorn. First I'm painting the whole unicorn with white color. Also painting the cloud with white color. Now I'm randomly painting the hair with different colors like pink, light purple, light yellow, light blue and light green. Some light pink to her mouth, nose and ears. Using metallic gold for horn and hooves. Some black for eyes. Giving some shades of light blue and blue to the clouds. Adding some silver to add some sheen. Now I'm cutting some hair off hairbrush to make her eyelashes and sticking to her eyes, and finally decorating her with a rose. And this cute little unicorn is ready to cuddle on a cloud. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.